Hey gamers, welcome back to channel, the ultimate destination for all things gaming, and today we're diving into the future with the best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2024. If you're serious about gaming, you know how crucial the right keyboard can be. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into the action. Number 5. Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is the pinnacle of gaming brilliance in 2024. This little mechanical gaming keyboard packs a punch, combining Razer's famed precision with unique features designed specifically for gamers. The Black Widow V3 Mini provides a flawless and lag-free gaming experience thanks to Razer's hyperspeed wireless technology, which ensures that every keystroke is registered with lightning-fast precision. The small form factor is ideal for people who want a minimalist work layout without sacrificing performance. With Razer's trademark mechanical switches, each keystroke provides physical and aural feedback, improving the gaming and typing experience. The RGB chroma backlighting on the keyboard is also adjustable. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL. The SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL is the pinnacle of mechanical gaming excellence in 2024. With its cutting-edge features, this tiny, tournament-ready keyboard packs a punch, making it a standout choice for gamers looking for a competitive edge. The Apex 3 TKL features mechanical switches that provide tactile feedback and lightning-fast response speeds for an unparalleled gaming experience. Its 10-keyless design reduces space while still ensuring swift, efficient movement during strenuous gaming sessions. The Apex 3 TKL's programmable RGB lighting allows you to tailor your setup and create an immersive gaming atmosphere. The keys are whisper quiet, achieving the right blend of responsiveness and stealthy operation, making them ideal for late-night gaming without disturbing others. The Apex 3 TKL is built to last, with a sturdy design that can handle the demands of prolonged gaming. The separate media controls and customizable macros make it easier to fine-tune your games without interfering with the action. In conclusion, the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL is the best mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024, combining performance, compact design, and configurable options to push your gaming experience to new heights. Dive further into gaming bliss with the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL, the greatest mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024. This small powerhouse not only demonstrates precision with its mechanical switches, but it also embraces innovation to meet the ever-changing needs of the gaming community. The mechanical switches of the Apex 3 TKL provide a deep tactile experience, guaranteeing that each keystroke is more than just a command, but pleasant sensation. The 10-keyless design of the keyboard, in addition to saving space, enables for quick, unfettered mouse movements, providing gamers with the agility they require in critical situations. Because of its dynamic RGB lighting, the Apex 3 TKL puts customization front and center. Customize the keyboard to match your gaming setup or sync it with in-game events for a completely immersive experience. The whisper-quiet keys create the perfect mix between responsiveness and silence, giving you a sneaky advantage during long gaming sessions. The Apex 3 TKL is known for its durability. This keyboard is designed to survive the most intense gaming sessions. Its sturdy build ensures durability, giving it a dependable friend for endless encounters in the virtual sphere. Number 3. Razer Huntsman 2 TKL. The Razer Huntsman 2 TKL is the pinnacle of gaming brilliance in the mechanical keyboard domain in 2024. With its revolutionary features and cutting-edge technology, this small powerhouse elevates gaming to new heights. Razer's trademark optical switches provide an ultra-fast actuation speed of 1.0 mm on the Huntsman 2 TKL. This assures lightning-fast response times, providing gamers with a competitive advantage in fierce battles. The 10-keyless design improves portability and maximizes workspace, making it ideal for competitive gamers as well as those on the go. The Huntsman 2 TKL has Razer's innovative PBT keycaps, which provide a pleasant tactile feel and resilience, ensuring longevity even during the most intense gaming sessions. The RGB chroma backlighting adds a dynamic visual aspect, allowing users to customize their gaming setup with a variety of brilliant colors and effects. Furthermore, Dedicated media controls and programmable macros improved functionality, resulting in a more smooth gaming experience. The Huntsman 2 TKL stands out as the go-to mechanical gaming keyboard for 2024, combining precision, speed, and flair in a compact form, thanks to Razer's legendary build quality and attention to detail. Dive into unrivaled gaming performance with the Razer Huntsman 2 TKL, the 2024 mechanical gaming keyboard crown gem. With its cutting-edge capabilities, this 10-keyless marvel redefines the gaming environment, making it a must-have for both hobbyists and competitive players. Razer's innovative optical switches are at the heart of the Huntsman 2 TKL. These switches, with an astounding 1.0mm actuation speed, deliver lightning-fast response times, guaranteeing your every instruction is executed with unrivaled precision. This keyboard is your ultimate gaming ally, whether you're fighting in high-stakes fights or performing complicated moves. Number 2. Corsair K70 RGB TKL. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL is the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards in 2024. This small powerhouse combines the best of Corsair's gaming expertise with a small, 10-keyless design to provide a streamlined gaming experience without losing performance. The Cherry MS mechanical key switches on the K70 RGB TKL provide tactile feedback and speedy responsiveness for accurate gaming and lightning-fast typing. Its 10-keyless design saves desk space and is great for gamers who prefer a clean and efficient setup. The K70 RGB TKL's programmable RGB illumination allows you to personalize your gaming gear with a rainbow of brilliant colors. Corsair's user-friendly software enables dynamic lighting effects that sync flawlessly with in-game activities to create an immersive gaming environment. The K70 RGB TKL's durable aluminum build guarantees that it can survive the rigors of hard gaming sessions, while separate media controls and a volume wheel provide easy access to multimedia functions without interfering with gameplay. This keyboard is a versatile tool for gamers that require precision and customization, with programmable macro support and onboard memory. With its unique features and stylish design, the Corsair K70 RGB TKL elevates mechanical gaming keyboards to new heights in 2024. This small keyboard, designed for gamers by gamers, packs a punch with its high-performance Cherry MX mechanical key switches, ensuring each keystroke is both gratifying and responsive. The K70 RGB TKL's 10-keyless design maximizes desk real estate, providing gamers extra area for mouse movements and creating a clean, organized gaming environment. The keyboard's metal structure adds to its durability, making it a dependable friend throughout prolonged gaming sessions. The K70 RGB TKL's programmable RGB backlighting is one of its most notable features. Users can personalize their gaming setup with a variety of colors and dramatic lighting effects using Corsair's sophisticated software. The synchronization of illumination with in-game actions adds another element of immersion to the gaming experience. Number 1. Keychron Key 6. In 2024, meet the Keychron Key 6, the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards. With its amazing features and performance, this cutting-edge keyboard is meant to boost your gaming experience. The Keychron Key 6 is a sleek and robust design with RGB backlighting that provides a dynamic flair to your gaming setup. Its mechanical switches have a tactile and responsive feel that ensures precision and speed with every keystroke. The Keychron Key 6 adaptability is one of its most notable features. It switches between wireless and wired modes with ease, giving you the freedom of a wireless connection without sacrificing responsiveness. The keyboard is device agnostic, making it an excellent alternative for gamers who switch between platforms. Customization is essential, and the Key 6 provides that. Gamers can obtain a competitive advantage by customizing their keyboard with programmable keys and macro capabilities. The sturdy structure of the keyboard provides longevity, even during intense gaming sessions. In conclusion, the Keychron Key 6 is the best mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024, combining style, performance, and versatility to fulfill the needs of serious gamers. With the Keychron Key 6, you can take your gaming setup to a new level of precision and comfort. With the Keychron Q6, a masterpiece developed for the discriminating gamer in 2024, you can dive into the future of gaming keyboards. This mechanical marvel exceeds expectations in terms of performance, customization, and wireless capability. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.